Today I will show you how to share data in SharePoint Online. First, you select a document or folder and click on Share. The share icon also works here. Now, I can add the names and choose a permission for them. You can also add a message, but this is not necessary. Below the text box is a link. If you click on it, you have more options. Here you have options how to share the link with. The Anyone option allows anyone with the link to access your shared data. The second option is more secure, as it requires an account from your organization to view the data. The third option checks user permissions for the shared file. And use people you choose to make sure only the people you specify have access. You can then change the permissions again. If you choose to allow only viewers, you can block the download. When you are finished, you can click Send, and the people will receive an email with a link to your shared data.